faraway kingdom, beyond rolling green hills and crystal clear rivers, lay an enchanted forest. This was no ordinary forest, it shimmered with magic. The trees sparkled like diamonds, the air smelled sweet like honey, and tiny fireflies floated in the soft golden light. Walking through this magical place was Princess Sofia, a kind-hearted girl with golden hair and bright blue eyes. She wore a flowing pink and blue gown that sparkled like the morning sun. Hopping beside her was Fluffy, her fluffy white rabbit, whose pink-tipped ears twitched with excitement. Sophia wasn't alone her best friends. Leo and Mira walked with her. Leo was a curious and clever boy, with a green tunic and a white cape, always eager for an adventure. Mira, a tiny fairy with shimmering blue hair, fluttered in the air beside them, her delicate wings leaving a trail of silver dust. As they walked deeper into the forest, hundreds of glowing butterflies flapped their delicate wings around them, leaving behind trails of golden dust. "This place is so beautiful," Sophia exclaimed, twirling in delight. "Look at the glowing butterflies." Mira, usually cheerful, suddenly looked concerned. "These butterflies, they don't look as bright as they should. Something's wrong." Leo stepped forward, observing closely. "Maybe we should take a closer look," he suggested. The friends followed the butterflies through the trees until they reached a sparkling waterfall. There, a group of magical butterflies rested on a mossy rock, their wings dimmed and dull. A tiny, frail voice whispered, "We've lost our sparkle. The magic of the forest is fading." Sophia, Leo, and Mira looked at each other, their faces filled with concern. They knew they had to help. They spent the rest of the day searching for the source of the problem. They discovered a wicked witch had cast a spell on the forest, stealing its magic. After a daring adventure involving clever riddles and magical potions, they